Hi children, today you are going to learn 7th class 6th chapter, that is ratios and applications, in that exercise number 6.6. In this exercise we are going to be use the formula that is simple interest. Simple interest nothing but denoted by SI. The formula is P into T into R by 100. Here P is nothing but principal and T is nothing but a time and R is nothing but a rate of interest, the rate of interest. So here simple interest I equal to I, simple interest R interest equal to P into T into R by 100. This is the first formula. No? From this we will derive the two more formulas. If we need R, if you want to find out rate of interest, we will send remaining all this side. I into 100. I nothing but a simple interest. I into 100 by P into T. If you want to find out the time, the formula is I into 100 by C, P into R. So, if you want to find out the principal, that is I into 100 by P into T. These are the four formulas you need to be remember. Along with that, amount formula. Amount formula is equal to principal P I will write plus simple interest or interest. Amount equal to formula principal plus interest. So this is the formula, and if you need a principal directly, when amount and interest is given, amount minus interest is principal. Interest equal to this principal you transfer this side, amount minus principal, and these are the formulas only. Only these are the formulas we are going to be use it in the exercise number 1.6. Just make it note. So these all the formulas will help us to complete the exercise number 6.6. So we go for now question number 1. The question number 1. How long it will take? How long it will take? That means how much time it will take. Like how long it will take? Ante enta time teeskuntadi. So time we need to find. The sum is given. The sum is 12,600 invested at the rate of 9% per annum to become a 15,624. See, the principal is given here. I will write only P. P is nothing but a principal. The principal is given rupees 12,600 at the rate of 9%. So the amount become. So what is the time? Time equal to what we need to find. At this principal amount at the rate of 9%, how much time it will take to become an amount A equal to rupees 15,624. అంటే ఈ అమౌంట్ ఇంత రేట్ ఆఫ్ ఇంట్రెస్ట్ తోని ఎంత టైంలో ఇంత అవుతుంది, 15,624 అవుతుంది. అది ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలి. సో విల్ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ ఫస్ట్. సో యాజ్ ఈ గివెన్ ప్రిన్సిపల్ ఇచ్చాడు, అమౌంట్ ఇచ్చాడు. సో సింపుల్ ఇంట్రెస్ట్ ఈక్వల్ టు అమౌంట్ మైనస్ ప్రిన్సిపల్. ద సింపుల్ ఇంట్రెస్ట్ ఈక్వల్ టు అంటే టోటల్ అమౌంట్ మైనస్ ఇచ్చిన అమౌంట్. ద ప్రిన్సిపల్ 15,624 మైనస్ హౌ మచ్ he gave? Rupees 12,600. So the simple interest equal to, just subtract that, 15,624 minus 12,600. 4,203. 12 minus 15 minus 12 is 3. 3,024 rupees. The simple interest equal to 3,024 rupees. Now you have to find out the time now. So the relation, the simple interest equal to formula P into T into R by 100. What is the simple interest? Rupees 3,024. That equal to the principal is rupees 12,600 into time we need to find into R. As I told, either you can go for this formula or not. I will tell you. Rate of interest is 9 by 100. Okay. Or not, here you have direct formula. చూడండి, దీనికి డైరెక్ట్ ఫార్ములా కూడా చెప్పారు. ఏంటి? టైం ఈక్వల్ టు interest into 100 by P into R. P into R. This is the formula actually to find out the time. So time formula I will substitute now. Why? చూడండి ఇప్పుడు ఈ 100 పంపితే మల్టిప్లై అవుతుంది. This node two multiplications become a division. So directly we will get like this. So from this we will get time formula. We will need a time now. So simple interest into 100 by P into R. You bring this side P into R. That is equal to time. That is equal to time T. So now we write T equal to simple interest. What is the simple interest? Rupees 3024 into 100 by P into R. P is rupees 12,600 into R. That is 9 is the rate of interest. So let us cancel these two zeros and these two zeros are cancelled. In here 2 5 5 9 9 can be cancelled. 9 it can be cancelled 9 table. 9 ones are 9. 9 3s are 27. 3 left. 32 32 అవుతుంది కదా 32 అంటే 9 3s are 27. 5 left. 54. 54 అంటే 9 6s are 54. So 120 120 120. Okay. Let us cancel now here. We'll cancel the 12 2 table. 2 6s are 12. 2 3s are 6. And 2 1s are 2. Here it become a 13. 2 6s are 2 6 are 12 and 2 8s are. Then again we go for that. What we got? T equal to we got that 168 by 63. So it can be cancelled again. 3 table. 3 2s are 3 1s are 3 5s are 15. 1 left. 3 6 are 18. So again if you see it is the 56 by 21. 56 by 21. So 7 3s are 21. 7 8s are 56. The time equal to 8 by 3. This 8 by 3 is nothing but 3 2s are 6 and 2 left. That is 2 whole 2 by 3 years. Time equal to 2 whole 2 by 3 years. So how much time will take? Therefore the time equal to 2 whole 2 by 3 years. That means if you invest amount in the 12,600 amount iste ఎంత percentage 9% amount iste 2 years 2 by 3 2 whole 2 by 3 years లో 2 whole 2 by 3 years లో ఆ అమౌంట్ అనేది 15,624 అవుతుంది. 12,600 అనేది 15,624 అవుతుంది. ఎప్పుడు at the rate of 9% interest తోని 2 years 2 by 3 years లో. So very simple question. This is the first question actually. Okay. And then we go for the second question. We go for a second question now. We go for a second question. See, look at your textbook everyone. At what rate అంటే what is the rate of interest అని at what rate a sum is double అంటే ఇచ్చిన అమౌంట్ డబుల్ అవుతుంది. at what rate of interest the given sum will be double itself in 8 years 4 months. in 8 year 4 months 8 year 4 months లో ఇచ్చిన అమౌంట్ ఎప్పుడు డబుల్ అవుతుంది. at what rate of interest. ఓకే, టైం ఇచ్చాడు. సో హియర్ వెన్ ద అమౌంట్ విల్ డబుల్ దట్ వీ నీడ్ టు థింక్ ఫస్ట్. ఎప్పుడు అమౌంట్ డబుల్ అవుతుంది? సపోజ్ నువ్వు ఒక 10,000 ఇచ్చావు అనుకో, ఆ 10,000 ఎప్పుడు డబుల్ అవుతుంది? ఆ 10,000 పైన ఇంకో 10,000 ఇంట్రెస్ట్ వేసినప్పుడు డబుల్ అవుతుంది. 10,000 ప్లస్ ఇంట్రెస్ట్ 10,000 ఇట్ బికమ్ ఏ 20,000, అప్పుడు డబుల్ అవుతుంది. సపోజ్ యూ గేవ్ 10,000 టు యువర్ ఫ్రెండ్ and your friend is gave 20,000 for you, that means 10,000 for capital which you have given a principal plus 10,000 is interest. ఎంతైతే ఇచ్చామో దానిపైన ఈక్వల్గా ఇంట్రెస్ట్ కూడా ఉంటే, if principal is equal to amount, sorry interest, if the principal is equal to interest, then the amount will be double. The amount will be double when the amount will be double when principal is equal to interest. Principal is equal to interest is nothing but here simple interest. Compound interest గురించి మనం డిస్కస్ చేయట్లేదు. Simple interest. Where P equal to I, that means where P equal to I. When P equal to I అంటే ప్రిన్సిపల్ అనేది ఇంట్రెస్ట్ కి ఈక్వల్ అయితే then amount will be double. The amount will be double. Thus that you remember. And the T equal to the time is given here. In the question time is given 8 years 4 months. 8 year 4 months. The time is given 8 year 4 months. So at the rate of interest we need to find. The rate of interest we have to find out. What is the rate of interest? Rate of interest will be what? R value. We need to find out. So here see that R of rate of interest. Rate of interest formula is simple interest into 100 by simple interest into 100 by here rate of R kada P into T. So this is the formula, rate of interest formula, which you are derived from the simple interest formula. The formula. So rate of interest R equal to simple interest I into 100 by here instead of P I will write I. Why instead of P I will write I? Because P is equal to I. Instead of P I will write I into the time is 8 year 4 months. The time is 8 years 4 months. 8 year 4 months. See I and I cancelled. So here 8 years 4 months. So this months also we have to convert into 4 months is equal to 4 by 12 years. Enduku in every year there are 12 months. So divide by 12. 4 ones are 4 threes are. 4 ones are 4 threes are. So R equal to now 100 by here it comes like 8 whole 1 by 3. 8 whole 1 by 3. Because this 4 months become 1 by 3. Why? The 4 months become 4 by 12, that equal to 1 by 3. Now this you change it. This 8 whole 1 by 3 you change it into in the form of 100 by in the form of improper fraction. 3 8s are 24 plus 1 25 by 3. 25 by 3. So this 100 is nothing but a 100 by 1. See we know it when fraction by fraction comes. The first fraction numerator fraction 100 by 1 we write the same and we do the reciprocal of second fraction. 25 ones are 25 fours are. R equal to 4 into 3. R equal to 4 into 3. That R equal to 12%. The rate of interest is 12%. అంటే రేట్ ఆఫ్ ఇంట్రెస్ట్ అనేది 12% అవుతే రేట్ ఆఫ్ ఇంట్రెస్ట్ అనేది 12%గా ఉంటే మనకు 8 years 4 monthsలో ఇచ్చిన అమౌంట్ డబుల్ అవుతుంది. ఒకవేళ 1 lakh ఇస్తే 2 lakh అవుతుంది, 2 lakhs ఇస్తే 4 lakhs అవుతుంది. ఎప్పుడు ఇఫ్ రేట్ ఆఫ్ ఇంట్రెస్ట్ ఈస్ 12% and the time is 8 year 4 months. The time is 8 year 4 months. So this is what the question. We have to think very in depth and solve the problems. కొంచెం ఒక 2 times 3 times ప్రాక్టీస్ చేస్తుంటే మీ స్టాండర్డ్ ఆఫ్ లెవెల్కు ఇవి అర్థమవుతాయి. మీ స్టాండర్డ్ ఆఫ్ లెవెల్స్ మీకు ఇవి అర్థమవుతాయి ఎప్పుడు మీరు ఒక 2-3 times ప్రాక్టీస్ చేస్తే. సో the question number 3. The question number 3 here. See that question number 3 is very interlinked with you all. Very small one. A child friendly bank. A child friendly bank. అంటే పిల్లల friendly bank. Announced saving scheme for school children. Announced a saving scheme. ఒక స్కీమ్ ఇచ్చాడు ఎవరికి? స్కూల్ పిల్లలకు. ఎలాంటి సేవింగ్ స్కీమ్? సి దే విల్ గివ్ ఏ కిడ్డీ బ్యాంక్ టు చిల్డ్రన్. అనంద బ్యాంక్ అనేది ఒక కిడ్డీ బ్యాంక్ ఇస్తుంది టు ద చిల్డ్రన్. వై ద కిడ్డీ బ్యాంక్? టు సేవ్ ద అమౌంట్. నో, టు చిల్డ్రన్ హ్యావ్ టు కీప్ దేర్ సేవింగ్ ఇన్ ఇట్ అండ్ ద బ్యాంక్ కలెక్ట్ ఆల్ ద మనీ వన్స్ ఇన్ ఏ ఇయర్. దట్ మీన్స్ చిల్డ్రన్ హ్యావ్ టు పుట్ దేర్ అమౌంట్ ఇన్ ద కిడ్డీ బ్యాంక్. బ్యాంక్ విల్ కమ్స్ వన్స్ ఇన్ ఏ ఇయర్. బ్యాంక్ వాళ్ళు వస్తారు ఎప్పుడు? సంవత్సరంకి ఒకసారి వచ్చి ఆ అమౌంట్ కలెక్ట్ చేస్తారు. సో టు ఎంకరేజ్ ద సేవింగ్ ఇన్ ద చిల్డ్రన్స్కు సేవింగ్ పైన ఇంట్రెస్ట్ కలిగించడానికి ఆలోచన రావడానికి, సేవింగ్ చేయాలన్న ఆలోచన రావడానికి బ్యాంక్ ఏం చేసింది, స్కూల్ పిల్లలకు ఒక కిడ్డీ బ్యాంక్ ఇచ్చింది. అదేం చేయాలి, పిల్లలు ఆ కిడ్డీ బ్యాంక్లో అమౌంట్ సేవ్ చేసుకోవాలి. సో ఒక సంవత్సరానికి ఒకసారి ఆ బ్యాంక్ వాళ్ళు వచ్చి ఆ కిడ్డీ బ్యాంక్ ఓపెన్ చేసి చూస్తారు. చూసి దే గివ్ 6% ఇంట్రెస్ట్ ఇఫ్ ద అమౌంట్ ఈస్ ఎక్సీడ్స్ 10,000. వాళ్ళు 6% ఆఫ్ ఇంట్రెస్ట్ ఇస్తారు. ఎంతైతే జమ అయిందో దానిపైన 6% ఇంట్రెస్ట్ ఇస్తారు వాళ్ళ పిల్లలకు 6% ఇంట్రెస్ట్ ఇస్తారు. ఎప్పుడు అమౌంట్ అనేది 10,000 కన్నా ఎక్కువ ఉంటే, 10,000 లేదా 10,000 కన్నా ఎక్కువ ఉంటే. బట్ అదర్వైజ్ 5%, అంటే 10,000 కన్నా తక్కువ ఉంటే 5% ఇంట్రెస్ట్ ఇస్తారు. 10,000 కన్నా ఎక్కువ ఉంటే 6%, 10,000 కన్నా తక్కువ ఉంటే 5% ఇంట్రెస్ట్ ఇస్తారు. ఫైండ్ ద ఇంట్రెస్ట్ రిసీవ్డ్ బై ఏ స్కూల్. ఫైండ్ ద ఇంట్రెస్ట్ రిసీవ్డ్ బై ఏ స్కూల్. ఒక స్కూల్ ఎంత ఇంట్రెస్ట్ తీసుకుందో కనుక్కోవాలి. ఇప్పుడు ఇఫ్ దే హ్యావ్ డిపాజిటెడ్ ₹9,000 ఫర్ ఏ ఇయర్, అంటే వాళ్ళు 9,000 రూపీసే డిపాజిట్ చేశారు అనుకుందాం. సో ద ప్రిన్సిపల్ డిపాజిట్ అమౌంట్ నథింగ్ బట్ ప్రిన్సిపల్ దే ఆర్ సేవింగ్ ఓన్లీ 9,000 రూపీస్. టైం టీ ఈక్వల్ టు 1 year. ఇప్పుడు 9,000 డిపాజిట్ చేస్తే వాట్ ఇస్ ద రేట్ ఆఫ్ ఇంట్రెస్ట్? ద రేట్ ఆఫ్ ఇంట్రెస్ట్ విల్ బి 5%. The rate of interest will be only 5%. Then we have to find out the simple interest. What is the interest they receive? Simple interest equal to P into T into R by 100. So P equal to what? Rupees 9,000 into time is 1 year. Rate of interest by 5 by 100. So 2 zeros cancel. Rupees 90 into 5. That is rupees 450. Therefore, the simple interest they receive. The simple interest received by school equal to rupees 450. 450 rupees deposit అంటే ఇంట్రెస్ట్ తీసుకుంటుంది ఆ స్కూల్. ఎందుకు? ఓన్లీ 9,000 చేశాడు కదా, 10,000 పైన చేస్తుంటే 6% ఇంట్రెస్ట్ వచ్చేది. ఇక్కడ 10,000 కన్నా తక్కువ చేశాడు. సో 4% ఆఫ్ ఓన్లీ ఇంట్రెస్ట్. This too mainly we have to focus. A sum of money invested at the rate of 8% per annum. A sum of money అంటే కొంత మనీ ఇన్వెస్ట్ చేశాడు. We don't know how much money they invested. See, let's go for a sum of money. P equal to some money. We don't know. Some money was invested at the rate of 8%. అంటే 8% rate of interest తో ఇన్వెస్ట్ చేశారు per annum. At the simple interest per annum for simple interest చేశారు. The amount will be rupees 12,122. The amount will be 12,122. Amount అనేది 12,122 అయింది. So in 2 years, time equal to in 2 years. We don't even know what is simple interest here. కొంచెం simple interest కోసమే చేశారు. We don't know the principal and we don't know the simple interest. Both also we don't know. So if you don't know the both, then we have to find out this. We don't know the principal, the simple interest, and we don't know the principal also. So what we have to do is, but we know the amount. The amount formula is what now? Now amount equal to principal plus simple interest. The amount formula, principal is nothing but a P plus simple interest formula P into T into R by 100. Yes or no? So what we do, it will substitute the amount here. What is the amount? Rupees 12,122. Rupees 12,122. ఎందుకు అమౌంట్ ఎంత? 12,122. So principal P by 1 we will write plus P, we don't know P only, into T. T is 2 years into time, it is a 8 by 100. That means let us solve this first. 12,122 equal to P by 1 plus 2 8 is 16 into P, 16P by 100. 16 into P, 16P by 100. Now here we do the cross multiplication and we get an answer like that. 12,122 equal to 1 into 100, 100 into P, 100P plus 1 into 16P, that is 16P. So rupees 12,122 equal equal to 100 plus 16, 116 p by 100. This 116 by 100 will transfer this side, so that we will get a p value. The p equal to rupees 12,122 into 100 by 116. 100 by 116. Here 116 by 100 become 100 by 116. We cancel 4 table. 4 3s are 12. It's not possible. 4 2s are 8. 3 left. 36. 4 9s are 36. Here 4 25s are 100. In 29 table we cancel this. In 29 table. See, I will do the division. This division you have to copy in the notes. Later I will rub this. 29 4s are 4 9s are 36. 3 carry 4 to the 8 plus 3, that is 116. Yes. Now here 11 5. Yes, 5 only. Here you get 20. Oh, sorry, 52. Only one letter we have to take. One digit we have to take. That is 52. So 29 ones are 29. 29 ones are 29. Became a 12. 3 4 minus 2 is 2, and we will get 2, and 2 9 8s are, yes, 8s are 8 9s are 72. 7 carry 8 2s are 16. 16 plus 7 23 will be 0. So 418s are 29 ones are 29 418s are. This division you copy, children. Now this division you copy. I am going to rub this now. Yes. Now this principal equal to rupees 418 into 25. Therefore the principal equal to rupees 10,500 you may get. That is rupees 10,450. Sorry, the 10,450 you will get. Already I have multiplied. I have not measured. 25 8s are 200. So 20 carry. 25 ones are 25 plus 20. That is 45. 25 ones are 25 plus 20, 45. So 5 4 carry. 25 4s are 100 plus 4, 104. Balanced. So principal we got it. ఈ ప్రిన్సిపల్ వచ్చింది. మనం ఇప్పుడు ఏం చేయాలి? See, the principle we got it. Now what we have to do it? Again question was not end. What will be the amount? What will be the amount in 2 years 8 months at the rate of 9%? In the 2 years 8 months at the rate of 9% of interest. What will be? What will it amount? What will be the amount? What will be in it amount in the amount in 2 years 8 months at the rate of 9% interest? Okay, we have to find out the amount now. What will be the amount? This principal, at this principal, at the rate of interest is, for this principal what the rate of interest is 9% and time is 2 years 8 months. 2 years 8 months. So this months we convert into years, that equal to 2 into this 8 by 12. So 4 2s are 4 3s are, that equal to 2 whole 2 by 3. This we convert into improper fraction. 3 2s are 6 plus 2, that is 8. Yes, time equal to 8 by 3 years. So what will be the amount? ఇది అనేది ఎంత అవుతుంది? ఈ 10,450 అనేది at the rate of 9% for the time 8 by 3 years, what amount? అది ఎంత అమౌంట్ అవుతుంది? అమౌంట్ కనుక్కోవాలంటే ఫస్ట్ ఇంట్రెస్ట్ కనుక్కోవాలి. సింపుల్ ఇంట్రెస్ట్ ఈక్వల్ టు ఏంటి ఫార్ములా? ఫస్ట్ p into t into r by 100. First you find out simple interest equal to p, that is rupees 10,450 into time, that is 8 by 3 into r is nothing but a 9 into 100. p t r, p value 10,450, time 8 by 3, so 8 here by 3 I have written into r, that is 9% by 100. Now we will cancel this all. 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9, and here 1 0, here 1 0 cancel, and 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10, 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, and 4 is here. In 5 table 4 will not come, so 0. 5 9s are 45. So simple interest equal to rupees 209 into 4 into 3. 4 into 3. So the simple interest equal to rupees 4 3s are 12. 209 into 12. 12 9s are 108. So 8 10 carry 12 0 0 plus 10. So 0 and 1 carry 12 2s are 24 plus 1 25. That is rupees 2508. This is what interest actually. But we need to find out amount. Amount equal to principal plus simple interest. Principal is that 10,450 plus interest is that 2,508. Yes, 10,450, 2,508, 8, 5, 9, 12, 12,958. This become a amount. Just once you go through this all, you get an idea now. Now I hope you understood this. Let me run this everything. Now we go for the last question. The last question of this chapter, a final question. We go for a final question. That is, in 4 years, the 6,500 amount to be a 8,840. Fifth one, solution. In 4 years, the time equal to in 4 years. Ichne rasko 4 years. The amount 6,500. The principal equal to rupees 6,500. Principal is 6,500. Employee amount enta ayindi rupees 8,840. 6,500 అనేది 8,840 అయింది in 4 years. Okay, at a certain rate of interest. At certain rate of interest. At certain rate of interest r వాల్యూ లేదు అంటే ఒక రేట్ ఆఫ్ ఇంట్రెస్ట్ తోని కొద్దిగా ఇంట్రెస్ట్ తోని 4 years టైం లో 6,500 అనేది 8,840 అయింది. ఓకే, సో ఇప్పుడు మనం రేట్ ఆఫ్ ఇంట్రెస్ట్ ను ఫస్ట్ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేద్దాం. రేట్ ఆఫ్ ఇంట్రెస్ట్ ని ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలి. రేట్ ఆఫ్ ఇంట్రెస్ట్ ని ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలి అంటే మనకు ఫస్ట్ సింపుల్ ఇంట్రెస్ట్ ఎంత తెలియాలి. సింపుల్ ఇంట్రెస్ట్ అంటే అమౌంట్ మైనస్ ప్రిన్సిపల్. ద సింపుల్ ఇంట్రెస్ట్ ఈక్వల్ టు అమౌంట్ ఈజ్ రూపీస్ 8,840 మైనస్ ప్రిన్సిపల్. అమౌంట్ లోకి మొత్తం అమౌంట్ నుంచి ప్రిన్సిపల్ తీసేస్తే సింపుల్ ఇంట్రెస్ట్ వస్తుంది. అయితే 6,500 అనేది ప్రిన్సిపల్. సో సింపుల్ ఇంట్రెస్ట్ ఈక్వల్ టు నౌ యూ సబ్ట్రాక్ట్ 8,840 మైనస్ 6,500. 0 4 3 2 2,340 rupees. 2,340. This is simple interest actually. This is a simple interest. Now we find out the rate of interest. The rate of interest formula. Rate of interest. The rate of interest formula. Simple interest into 100 by P into T. P into T. R ikkada undi. So PT ikkada vastadi. So rupees 2,340 into 100 by principal is what here 6,500 rupees. 6,500 into the time is 4 years. E2 zeros cancel చేయండి. 4 1s are 4, 4 5s are 20, 3 left అంటే ఇప్పుడు ఎంత అవుతుంది 34. సో 4 8s are 32, 2 left 20, 4 5s are 20. Here it is just 65. So in cancelling 5 table. So 5 1s are 5, 5 3s are 15. So 5 1s are 5, 5 1s are 5, 3 left. That is a 35. 5 7s are 35. 13 1s are 39s are. So rate of interest equal to 9%. Therefore the rate of interest will be 9%. అంటే ఏంటి ఇక్కడ in 4 years time లో at the rate of interest 9%, 4 years లో at the rate of interest 9%. ఇచ్చిన అమౌంట్ ఎంత 6,500 అనేది 8,840 అయింది. 6,500 ఇస్తే 4 years time లో at the rate of 9% 8840 అయింది. సో ఇప్పుడు ఇంకా క్వశ్చన్ ఉంది చూడండి. సో ఇన్ వాట్ టైం అంటే టైం ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలి. ఇన్ వాట్ టైం will be a 1600 rupees 1600 the amount to rupees 1816 in what time the principal 1600 become amount 1816 at same rate of interest 9% at the same rate of interest 9% అంటే ఈ 1600 రూపీస్ 1818 rupees at the rate of 9%. 1600 rupees at the rate of 9%. 1880 rupees అయింది, 1816 rupees అయింది. కానీ ఎంత టైంలో అయినాయి? ఓకే, at the what rate of at the rupees 1600 rupees at what time and the rate of interest 9% it become 1816 rupees. That we have to find out. First we find out the simple interest, that is amount minus principal. The amount is here 1816 minus principal become 1600. 1816 minus 1600, that is 216. So the simple interest equal to rupees 216. Now we have to find out the time. No? The time equal to formula simple interest into 100 by P into R. The time equal to simple interest is rupees 216 into 100 by principal, that is rupees 1600 into rate of interest is 9%. Rate of interest is 9%. 2 zeros cancel. Now he will go for 3 3s are 9, 3 7s are 21, 3 2s are 6. Okay, 17. So here we go for again 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 1 left 12, 3 4s are 12, then 24 by 16, 4 6s are 24, 4 4s are 16, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. Therefore time equal to 3 by 2, that is nothing but time equal to 1 whole 1 by 2 year. 1 whole 1 by 2 ఎట్లా వస్తుంది? ఇక్కడ 3 2 తోని 2 1s are 2, 1 carry. So 1 whole 1 by 2 year. In 1.5 year, the principal 1600 become at the rate of 9% 1816 rupees. అంటే 1.5 year లో at the rate of 9% తోని 1600 రూపీస్ ఎంత అవుతుంది? 1816 రూపీస్ అవుతుంది. సో ఇంటర్లింక్ అనమాట, ఇది చేస్తే అది వస్తుంది. సో ఇలాంటి క్వశ్చన్ చాలా బాగా ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయాలి. యూ ప్రాక్టీస్ 2-3 times యూ గెట్ much idea, but we have to go through the introduction about these ratios and applications class. There I have explained what is ratio, what is proportion, all I have explained. That we have to go through it so that you can understand this all the formulas and problems. And I hope you understood this complete chapter. This chapter is very helpful for you. Practice 2-3 times, you will get a good idea. Then that's it for this class. Then have a nice day. Bye.